So today I will introduce you the world's first 3D bioprinted human skin model, suitable for screening drugs and ingredients for normal and inflamed skin. So immune system is involved in many different skin disorders, such as psoriasis, atopic dermatitis, wounds, burns, acne, infections. That is why we decided to develop these 3D models using a 3D bioprinter to answer to these different problematics. But how does it work? So first of all, we will take a sample from skin surgery and we will isolate the different human primary cells from the skin surgery. We will amplify and grow them in 2D culture before mixing the different cells with a suitable bioink and reconstruct 3D models. Many different 3D models will be able to be reconstructed with using 3D printer. And after a maturation process, we will be able to make screening ingredients for cosmetic or pharmaceutical companies. We are always working on the development and optimization of our 3D bioprinted models to make them look as good as real skin. This is the aim of the development. But you may wonder why we decided to use bioprinter to reconstruct the different models. So first of all, the technique is really reproducible. So you will be able to 3D bioprint many models at the same time, and we were able to print more than 100 models in 1 hour, compared to manual models which is not reachable. You will also have more effectiveness on your model because all the model will be printed layer by layer with a high resolution of 200 microns. It is also a personalized technology because before printing the models, we will design it with a computer-aided design software. And at this point, you will be able to set up all the different parameters that you want before the printing process. For example, you can play around the temperature, the pressure, the speed. You can define which printer head will print which layer. So you can really define the different 3D models that you want to print according to your needs. So now that you know more about the 3D bioprinting process, let me explain you how we decided to work on 3D humanized skin models. So at CTI Biotech, we have a strong knowledge and experience in 3D skin models. So we decided to work on these models and we added some immunized cells in it. Immunized cells went from blood donor when we isolated the peripheral mononuclear blood cells, the PBMC, and after an isolation of the PBMC, we performed a selection of the monocytes. The monocytes were then differentiated using different differentiating cocktails into M1 and M2 macrophages populations. So those are the main populations in macrophages. M1 macrophages will be more related to the pro-inflammatory response, and M2 macrophages will be more into anti-inflammatory response. So we were very interested in having the two different populations to adapt and adjust the model according to the different needs. So after isolating all the different cell types, we will be able to amplify them in 2D, as I said before. And